Hi guys, today we're doing 3 fragrances from fragrancebuy.com and we're just gonna do a quick look, quick sniff and move on. This is gonna be a short video. We're gonna start with Haramain Amber Oud Gold. Look at the box right there. Let's open it. Last time I did this one, it fell out. This is the bottle right there. I really like the design of these bottles. Let's do a quick. This smells extremely familiar. I'm not sure why. I can smell there's some citrus in there. I can definitely smell some fruit, a lot of fruit in there. Not sure what fruit, but there's a lot of fruit in there. It's sweet, it's layered, it's aromatic. There's some greenness there. It's really good. I really like that. So far, I'm really vibing with Haramain. I really like those scents. I think I might get the entire line of Haramain notes because right now I've had two, the Rouge and the Gold edition, and I really love Rouge and I'm really liking this one. And if they all have that same vibe, if they're all really good, I am gonna love all of them. This is good. I really like this. I'm looking forward to reviewing this. I still like Rouge more, but this is very enticing. This is like a fruity, summery, happy. This is happy. This makes me happy. So that was Haramain Amber Oud Gold Edition. Happiness in a bottle. Next one is Fakhar by Lattafa. Let's open that up. At this point, this bottle is iconic. I've seen it literally everywhere, so I needed to get it. So let's give it a sniff. Fakhar Black. Some citrus. This has some floweriness in it. This smells very manly. This smells very colognes of the past kind of scent to it. So this is reminding me of a lot of scents that I've experienced in the past. This is reminding me of, what does it remind me of? It reminds me of a scent I've had in the past. Does this remind me of Burberry? Is this a clone of a Burberry I've had in the past? Is there Burberry that's like this? I don't know. No, this reminds me, maybe, I don't know. There's a perfume called Hey, and it HEI that I think reminds me of this. But I'm not 100% sure. I have to compare it, but that's my initial vibes. This reminds me of something I've worn in the past a long time ago, but I don't remember what it was. I don't know if it was Issey Miyake. I don't know if it was Hey. I don't know if it was Burberry. I've had a lot of different perfumes, but this is definitely reminding me of something I've worn in the past back in my college days. This is giving me, I've definitely had this scent profile on my body. So I'm interested to see where this memory is coming from. It smells good though. It smells very nostalgic. It smells very manly. This is giving me manly. I like it. I'm pretty sure my partner's gonna like that one, and I'm pretty sure my friends are gonna like that one a lot because they really vibe with manly scents. Lowe Immortal by Maison Alhambra, which is, I think, a subsidiary of Lattafa. This is a very clean looking bottle. Very simple, very clean girl aesthetic. Is the cap magnetized? It is. Look, fancy. Okay, so the cap is magnetized. Let's give her a sniff. I'm just getting a lot of, I don't know, I'm getting orange? No, citrus, I guess. Just a lot of citrus. It's very good. It's very beachy. That's what I'm getting out of this. Very beachy, very citrus, not much else. People go crazy about this one. It was everywhere online, from like, not from TikTok or anything like that, more like from Reddit posts. I've seen it mentioned multiple times, so I got curious about it, so I got it. I didn't expect it to be like a beachy thing. But again, I never know what to expect with these. Like, I never necessarily smell what everybody else smells. Wait, there's something else coming out. There's something else coming out of that citrus and the beachy vibes. There's a depth there. I don't know what it is. It's interesting. Like, at first it was just giving me beach, but immediately like the beach started to like go away, and then something else kind of took it over. Or not took it over. Something else was coming in, giving it support. Not sure what that is, but it's warm and deep. It's making it more interesting. At first I was like, I'm not sure if I'm loving just beachiness. Like, beachiness is not a super vibey thing I'm going with, but this got interesting very quickly. Immortal got interesting. That's it, guys. These were my 3 from this last set. Let me know if there's anything from this last set that you would like me to review first. Otherwise, I'll do them in the order I want to. Always remember the scent is subjective, so whatever I perceive is not necessarily what you will perceive. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and always remember to smell your best. See ya.